Hi guys, how are you? So I got this in the mail. Today is Sunday. I got this Bliss box in the mail Saturday, yesterday, which was September 1st. So I don't know if this is the August 2018 or September. I did get the July. I didn't get anything in August. So I'm surmising this is the August box, but it is September 1st when I got it. Today is the 2nd when I'm recording it. So let's just see what this is. How much is a Bless box? Let me remember, because this is, let me see if I can find out. This is the second month that I am receiving this box. Now, the problem that I have with this, you do have to pay for shipping, which is what I don't like, because I do know shipping is $8. And it doesn't say, I don't want to keep you guys on here too long. Let me hit this button and see. Okay, so the monthly box is $29.99, and then you do pay $7.50 for shipping. So that brings it to like $38 or something like that, almost $40. And that's where I'm at. I did like the first box that I got last month. I will leave that video down below if you want to check it out. But I don't know if it's worth almost $40. So let's just open. I did cut everything to see. And let's just open this up. And then it comes like this if you take the book out. So you do get a lot of stuff, but okay. So then this is what this looks like. But this says July 2018. But that can't be right because I already got July's box. So I'm guessing this is August. If I find anything different, I will leave it down below. I do know they do ship this out towards the end of the month, but then again, I don't like that you get an August box in September. So depending on what's in here will let me know if I should cancel it. So let me get to where it says where everything is. All right, so the first thing that we got is from Living Proof. This is a Frizz Instant Defrizzer. So this is, of course, a sample size. So this is retail value for $15. So I don't really, let's see what it says. Softness and shine anytime. I guess it's dry, condition, and spray. So I guess it's like, you know, for frizzy hair, like kind of like hairspray. I don't really use hairspray, so I'll definitely, Living Proof is a good brand. So I'll definitely put this in a giveaway, only because I don't use hairspray. But I heard good things about that. Okay, the next thing, where is it? It's from Organics. Okay, this is Complete Organics. This is an argan oil therapeutic serum. This would be $18. Okay, and of course, let me get it from the bottom because the top is taped up. So I'm guessing, is this for your hair? Face, body, hair, nail. So you can put it anywhere because it is a serum. And it is filled almost all the way up to the top. So that's good. I do like serums. I use argan oil actually in my hair. So it comes with a little dropper. I'm going to put a little bit on the palm of my hand just to see. Oh, I do like it. I might even put that under my eyes right there because I'm definitely noticing a lot more finer lines. But I do like it. So that's good. So that's $18. Remember, this box is $20.99 plus $8 shipping. But the box is $30. So let's just see if it's worth it. Okay, the next thing we got is from Skineseek. I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but that's what it is. And what is this? This is, okay, 3 steps. It's a brightening and hydrate, I guess a sheet mask. So you have the first step here, which is the cleanser. Then you have the essence, and then you would have the face mask. So the essence you don't ever wash off. You clean your face, of course, wash that off. Then you put an essence on, you leave that on, and then you would put a face mask on. So this was, how much is this? No, this is a it says plus charcoal mask. This can't be $15 for just this one. That's what it's saying on here, $15. Let me read a little bit. Yeah. That's weird. $15 for just this? I'll have to look it up and I will leave everything down below. This says, yeah, charcoal black, brightening charcoal black mask. It is a face mask, but I can't imagine for one is $15. Maybe it comes in a set, but all right, let me get off of that. I will definitely leave it down below and let you guys know. Okay, the next thing I'm seeing is Casual Sheer Cassie Mini Crew Socks. So this is not in black. This one says black, but this is like a burgundy. And this is $12. So it's soothing and cozy. So let's open that up. Let's see what that looks like. For one pair, $12. Okay, let's see. Just rip it. Okay. Oh, these are really nice. They feel really soft. I don't have scissors on me. Let's see if I can pull it without tearing. There we go. So there we go. Let's see. So these are really, really nice. They feel, but they're very thin. If I don't know if you can see, you can kind of see my hand through it. So it's a very definitely thin. I don't know if I would pay $12 for these, but it could be the name. Maybe the name brand is what it is. Thgis Noor. And it looks like it's showing black. I kind of wish I got black because I wear a lot of black, but I'm not knocking this. I'm glad to get it. I just don't know if I would pay $12 for this because it's so thin. And I live in New Jersey, so in the wintertime it gets very cold. I don't know. But anyway, so we got that. All right, let me turn the page. All right, the next thing we got is from Peeled Snacks. This is organic mango. Right there. And then in the back, so that's good. It's organic. I don't know if I'm gonna like it. Let's open her up and see. I do love, I love mangoes. So, oh, these are like kind of like fruit chips, you see? Okay. I don't know what I was thinking. I could just definitely smell the mangoes. Oh my God. That's good. Oh my God. It tastes just like mangoes. Wow. These are really, really good. And this would be $4.79. So, they definitely don't have like a sweet taste, I guess because it is organic. So they're kind of like sour. I normally don't like sour things, but it's gently dried up organic mango. But I have to say these are really, really good. Like I would definitely purchase these. All right, so that's good. All right, the next thing we got is, this is from June Jacobs. This is a Mandarin Moisture Mask. And this is, no, this is not what that. Did I get, oh, here it is. It's over here. So there we go. And this is worth $9. So let's see, let's open her up. Oh, it has a safety seal, so I don't want to open it. I don't know why I tried to smell it. I have no idea. So let me see what this is. Is this like a face mask or hair? So Mandarin is one of my favorite scents. It's so refreshing. Let me get to the thing. For your skin. Okay, so it is a mask for your face. So that's good. After cleansing, apply a generous amount to your face, neck. Okay, relax for 5 to 10 minutes, then rinse off. So that's good. I'm happy to try this. I don't know if this is full size or not, but even if it's a sample size, it's a pretty good size to try a couple times to see if you like it. So that's good. All right, the next thing we got, this is organic protein and French vanilla. So this is $2. So it's kind of like, it's a plant-based nutritional, no artificial flavoring, which is great. This is, like I said, well, it did say it's organic. So you can kind of make like a shake. So that's good. I'm definitely going to try this tomorrow. So I'm happy for that. It's in French vanilla. Okay, so that's good. So the last thing, okay. The next thing we got is from Wen. So this is a sweet almond mint nourishing mousse. And this would be retail value $50. But I don't know if this is a sample size. Oh, that smells just like mint. It's so good. I don't know if this is a sample size or the full size will be $50. So this says, this one would say 4 ounces, but I don't see the ounces on here, and that is so small I can't read it. I will leave that down below too to see, because I can't imagine this little bitty thing, $50. Now I heard some good things and bad things about this product, some things that made people's hair fall out. I don't know, but I'll definitely try it. I just need to know if this is full size or not, or if this little thing is worth $50. Look at my description box and I will definitely find out. And the last but not least thing is from Amazing Cosmetics, and this is a concealer in medium beige, and this is $28. Now I have tried Amazing Cosmetics before. I've tried their concealer, their primer, which I really do like. Oh my god, I can't get this open. This is definitely not full size. No. So I guess full size would be $28. Yeah, like I said, so maybe that maybe it's not full size. The full size would be $28. All right, let's put a little bit on and see the color. Okay, so this is a little dark, but I can make it work. I really like Amazing Cosmetics. Their primer I definitely really like. So I haven't tried their concealer though, but I'll definitely give it a go and let you guys know. So that's everything in the box. So we got this Amazing Cosmetics, a little tiny sample size concealer. We got the Wen, which I do not think that this is full size. We got this face mask by June Jacobs. We got the Living Proof, a sample size like defrizzer. We got this protein shake. We got this peeled organic mango snacks. We got the argan oil, and I definitely know that is full size. And then we got these socks that says $12, but I would definitely not pay $12. Now they have like a little, let me get close, like a little print. So it's nice, like if you worked at an office or a business, but it's not, the camera's not showing how sheer that it is. So there we go. If you can see the print, there we go. It's very sheer. I just personally wouldn't pay that, and like I said, living in New Jersey, I could not wear these in the winter time, but they are pretty. So I mean, you know, I don't know. I'm on the fence with this. Let me know in the comments down below. Should I continue this one more month or just cancel it? Do you think this box is worth the $29? So we'll say $30. The thing that I'm having a problem with is the shipping. I just ordered a subscription that actually is already shipped to me, should be coming soon. It's coming from Japan, and they don't charge for shipping. And it's like, if other countries can send you things and they don't charge for shipping, I kind of get on the fence when something's from the US and you live in US and you're getting charged, and $8 is a lot for shipping. I also, when I used to get Look Fantastic, that comes from the UK, and you didn't pay for shipping for that either. So that's the problem that I have. So anyway, please like this video. It really helps me out. Leave in the comments, what should I do? Should I give it another month? What do you think about paying for shipping? And do you think this box was worth it? Please let me know. And as always, I always leave videos right here in case you want to see more of me. And I'm going blur. There we go. And until my next video, guys. Bye.